What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Land Rover Range Rover remote key fob. This Range Rover key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do in order to change the battery is we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the side that my thumb's on. Hold that release in, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now, if we take a look at the bottom of it, we see there's these kind of tabs right here. What I'm going to do is put my key in between those two tabs like that, and then just use it to pry up on this back cover. And once it gets started, what I'm going to do is come in from this side and just use my key to push up on that back cover, and then kind of get it under there and continue to pry up until you get it off. Once we get that back cover off, we see our battery right here. And this, in order to get this out, I'm just going to slide this out of this holder with my finger. If you can't get this with your finger, you may need to use a small flathead screwdriver or something similar. But once you get your old battery out, we'll grab the new one. And then we want to make sure that we're installing this with the plus side up. Plus side up. Go ahead and slide that into that holder like that. And then we'll grab our back portion here and snap this back on. Once we have that snapped on, then we can slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.